Understanding coral degradation, a dive into ocean health. Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring a crucial topic that impacts our oceans and the entire planet: coral degradation. It's vital to understand what this means and why it matters, not just for marine life but for humans too. So, let's dive in and uncover the mysteries of coral degradation together. Coral degradation refers to the process where coral reefs lose their vibrant colors, health, and marine biodiversity. This can happen due to various factors, including pollution, climate change, overfishing, and destructive fishing practices. As corals degrade, they become less capable of supporting the wide array of life that depends on them. It's like a bustling city turning into a ghost town, where life dwindles and eventually disappears. Several factors contribute to coral degradation, and understanding these is key to finding solutions. Climate change. Rising sea temperatures cause coral bleaching, where corals lose the algae, zooxanthellae, that give them color and nutrients. Pollution. Chemicals and waste from land can smother coral reefs, blocking sunlight and poisoning the water. Overfishing. Removing too many fish disrupts the balance of the reef ecosystem, affecting coral health. Destructive fishing practices. Using explosives or cyanide damages the physical structure of reefs. The degradation of coral reefs has far-reaching impacts. Loss of biodiversity. Coral reefs are home to a quarter of all marine species. Their decline threatens these species with extinction. Economic impact. Millions of people rely on coral reefs for food, income, and protection from storms. Degraded reefs jeopardize these benefits. Environmental consequences. Coral reefs play a crucial role in carbon sequestration and nutrient cycling. Their decline affects global environmental health. While the situation may seem dire, there are actions we can take to help protect and restore coral reefs. Reduce carbon footprint. Slowing climate change can help prevent coral bleaching. Support sustainable seafood. Choosing seafood from sustainable sources helps reduce overfishing. Reduce pollution. Proper waste disposal and reducing chemical runoff can protect reef health. Support conservation efforts. Participating in or supporting coral reef conservation projects makes a difference. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of coral degradation. It's a complex issue, but by understanding the causes and impacts, we can take meaningful steps towards protecting these vital ecosystems. Together, we can make a difference for our planet's health and future. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.